That's my doggy. His name is Moti. So, like Simon, and he goes boring if he doesn't get along with humans. And his personality is, he's a therapy dog. Anybody can borrow as long as they're good to him. Another thing I would like to know, add about him, that he likes to sleep with human and he likes to give them love. And people may not aware of the personality of dog, but he is special for healing humans. And last couple of years he had to gone through the abuse because I had to go away and I sent him in a relative house. He could not take care of him very well, pretty much. I am his caretaker. I can cut his hair, I can feed him, he sleeps with me, he follows me, and he's a kind of dog. He loves cookies, he loves milk, and he loves almond oil. He's a runner dog and he's trained for racing, so he can run miles and miles. Only thing, that's why you can see him, I'm following him, because the way he is, he likes walking, so he can go miles and miles, but his stomach has to be filled with food and milk and oil. I give him oil. Come on this way, come on. Wait. So he's not aware of a lot of dangers, and he's a kid kind of, but he is 13 years old. I have to give him almond oil which keep his body lubrications. I give him almond oil and it lubricates his body pretty much. If I don't give him cookie, he will bark, even he will command me in the night. So I have to have the cookies for him. He can eat digestive cookies, not the sugary one. Another thing I like to add about him, I love him so much, and he doesn't know the real word. I'm kind of his mom. And pretty much that's all I can add. So I just want to say, people who hate dogs, that get a dog, train him or her in an early age, so they can have a good life, they can love humans. They're meant to share their love for human. They're meant to live with human. Their needs are food, water, and house, and tenderness, because the way they're on earth, they had to have love back. If you don't care about the animals, pretty much don't keep them. Because the way I came home, I just came home and I just throwed my bag. He saw me that I'm gonna take him for a walk. That it pretty much, he knew that if I'm not gonna take him, he was working. So I took him for a walk. If I wouldn't take him, so he won't eat very well, because his digestive system will not move around. So that's why, if you guys can care of animals, they can give you a lot of love. And also thing I would like to add about him, don't be sorry buddies, don't abuse dogs and cats. So you can see them the way they are, right? So today is his long walk, and he's enjoying his walk because he knows that sometime I cannot take him for walk. He has to run in my backyard, or he has to pretty much peace. If we don't take them for walk and give them love, pretty much they go in depression too. So if we care about them, so their life will be more longer. And another thing, if we care about them, we're gonna grow old. In this country, we might see the people around in this world. Come on. Hey buddy, we have to go this way. Come on, Papa, come on. Let's go this way, Mama. Sometimes he doesn't know. I have to make him understand. Sometimes I don't understand, like he's trying to be. Just sniffing his territory area, and he wants to pee. Let's go this way. Come on. So I don't go rough with him. I just try to be gentle because this is the way he is. The more we give love to them, the more we will get love back. If we throw those animals, beat them up, pretty much that's not really good idea. If you cannot take care of them, don't keep them. But I keep him. Sometimes I cannot take him for walk, then he has to pee, find the area inside the house, and he